Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Estelle and I like to sew, crochet and DIY all I can. My goal this summer is to create a home that feels like a sanctuary, filled with objects that whisper stories, comfort and warmth. I've already made a quilt inspired by a summer meadow, and in this second episode of Making a Whimsical Home one DIY at a time, I'm going to make crochet projects in techniques that are new for me. For so long I've had these checkered crochet projects saved on my Pinterest, but until this day I haven't made one yet. Another thing I've been meaning to try for ages is crochet tapestry, so I thought what better time than now, in the slow rhythm of summer, to finally give it a try. There's something poetic about bringing to life the things we've admired from afar for years. Often we pin and save and dream, but the step between inspiration and creation can feel enormous. I want to close that gap, to make something with my hands that I've only seen on a screen. If you want to see what other projects I did and will do, feel free to subscribe. I upload every other Saturday. Let's jump right in and start crocheting. When I thought of making this rug months ago, I went looking for yarn and I was so lucky. I found the exact ones I was looking for, plus it's cotton and sturdy, which is great for a rug. To start our crochet journey today, we are going to be doing a slip knot or magic ring, and I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of crochet slip stitches until I reach the length I want for my rug. I thought 50 chains was a good number, because my plan is to make 5 stitches of each color. I'm using double crochet, and at my 5th stitch I'm going to change color. This is how I make it. Once I'm in the 5th stitch, I pass my needle diagonally through this spike. I grab the white, take yarn and pass it through the spike. Then I just pull the green and continue with double crochet, taking the green with me on the back. It's the same once we arrive at the 5th stitch of the white. Pass it through, take yarn, pull the white, and then continue with the green. Always making sure you take the other color from behind. That way you will have it on hand when it's its turn, and the back of the project will look clean.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies.
So this is my first row. It wasn't that difficult. To form the square, I made 2 rounds using the same color as the previous row. Now I'm just going to keep working on this, maybe watch a movie I've already seen. Because, I will tell you a secret, I can't do 2 things at once. If I'm crocheting, I am not listening to what you're saying to me, nor understanding a movie or a podcast or audiobook. I don't have that talent. So my solution is to put light YouTube videos in the background or movies or series I've already seen. Does that happen to you? Please let me know.
Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that.
I forgot to tell you, I'm not always hiding the yarn from behind. In each row you have to hide it on the front or the back depending on what side you're working on. Here's an example. One row you're working with the wrong side facing you, so you take the yarn to the front, grab it and continue. The next round will be the opposite. You will be working with the good side facing you, so you hold the yarn behind and make sure it stays secured in each stitch.
Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that.
This is very repetitive, but it's been very relaxing to just sit and crochet. When I crochet or sew, I'm not rushing to finish, I'm allowing it to become part of the rhythm. Some projects sit in a basket for weeks, others unfold over long evenings or quiet mornings. Stitch by stitch, they soak up my thoughts and my mood. It's a great substitute for scrolling through your phone.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?
All these reminded me that I can still be a beginner. It's okay to take my time, to get things wrong. A finished piece is better than a perfect unfinished one. When learning something new, please remember, kindness towards ourselves, it's part of the process.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
I'm feeling very inspired after finishing that beautiful rock, and I'm super excited to try and make a tapestry. For this project I had way too many ideas. Make sure to follow me on Pinterest if you want to steal those ideas. After some time searching for the right design, I finally found one that amazed me, and it's perfect for the corner where I want to display it. I'm going to make this mushroom tapestry pattern designed by Sarah from Earth Hunt and Fiverr. Make sure you check her profile because she has gorgeous crochet patterns. I bought her pattern on Etsy and it was a great decision. I will leave the link on the description. Being my first time doing a tapestry, it's good to have clear instructions and a grid to follow, plus it can be done with just 2 colors, which will be easier to start. Even though my inspiration board this summer was full of green, this tapestry design put me in an early mood for autumn, so this is my yarn choice. The background will be in this gorgeous orange and the mushroom in this spotted white. Let's start!
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit.
Learning something new as an adult isn't always easy. We are so used to being efficient, capable, and already good at things, but creativity doesn't work like that. Every time I try a new technique, like this tapestry crochet, I feel a mix of excitement and hesitation. What if it turns wonky? What if I waste my time or yarn? A little update on the tapestry. I think I messed up that row 2 and I'm working with the right side and wrong side reversed. So my piece is mirroring what the original design shows. Ah. I didn't expect to have to be so focused because, well, I know how to crochet, but this is different. It feels like crochet but mixed with diamond painting and crosswords. My confidence got me distracted, but I'm going to pay more attention to the pattern from now on. This summer heat forced me to take this project slowly, but I'm happy it happened this way. The same way you only work on a puzzle a little each day. That way you can feel the little victories more intensely. Every day you get a small craft moment that rewards you with achievable progress. The colors begin to speak to each other, a shape finally shows up. These moments feel big when they are spaced out in time. I'm almost finished, so please enjoy this time-lapse of the tapestry magically growing, and I'll meet you at the end. With every piece I make for this home, I feel like I'm writing little notes to myself, reminders that things don't need to be perfect to be meaningful. These two projects taught me patience. They remind me that starting is often the bravest part, that following through slowly and imperfectly is where magic lives. Little by little, I'm building a space that feels like me, one stitch, one idea, one DIY at a time.
Hey, mamita. Hey.
If you try to make a rug or a tapestry, tag me on Instagram because I really want to see. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Adeu!